Let's dive into division 44 divided by 2. Awesome learners! If you're having fun with math, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more cool math adventure. Alright, let's start dividing 44 by 2. First, we look at the first divid of 44, which is 4. We're going to use the first divid, 4, as our partial. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 from our partial 4. That gives us 0. Now remainder here. You got it, you're doing amazing. We finished with the first divid. Let's move to the next divid in our dividend. Now for our next step, we bring down the next divid from 44, we is another 4. Our new partial is 4. We're using the next divid, 4, to make our new partial. How many times does 2 get into 4? You guessed it, 2 times. Let's check again. 2 times 2 equals 4, we're on a roll. Subtract 4 from our partial 4 and we get 0. Still no remainder. Woohoo, you're a math superstar. We've used all the divids in 44. That means we're all done with our division. Great job. So 44 divided by 2 is 22. We just learned how to divide 44 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like a puzzle and you're getting so good at solving it. Great job, math explorers. Keep practicing and you'll be division pros in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.